All right, we're going to talk about in behavior graphically. All right, so this is on Delta Math, and I just want to go through a couple examples quickly to kind of explain in behavior. So once you figure out in behavior, hopefully it's pretty easy. But let's see what it says. So it says the graph of y equals f of x is graphed below. What is the in behavior of f of x? Okay, so they're saying this graph is f of x. All right, so your in behavior comes from each end or each side of the graph. If it dead ends, it will have a dot and it will stop. If it has an arrow, it means it continues. If it continues down, it's going towards negative infinity. If it continues up, it's going towards positive infinity. So how do we determine in behavior? It comes from our x-axis and our y-axis. So we have two directions. If you go from 0 to the right, this is your positive x's. When you go to the left from 0, this is your negative x's. So we always start with our x, okay? So we say as x goes left, so when x goes left, that's going towards negative infinity. So as x goes towards negative infinity, what does my f of x or my y do? Okay, so remember up here it says y equals f of x. So this is just algebraic notation. So as x goes to the left, you can see that all these say as x goes to the left, we're always going to determine the left side and the right side. This goes down. So this is my y-axis. My vertical axis is my y-axis. So that's my f of x. So my f of x is going towards negative infinity. So you can see it either has to be the first one or the last one. Now, as x goes to positive infinity, you can see this goes to positive infinity for all of those. Okay? So as x goes to the right, that's going towards positive infinity because this arrow shows that it's going to continue if we keep graphing. And this is going down again. So again, down is negative and up would be positive. So this one is also going towards negative infinity. So it has to be the last one in order to be correct to go to negative infinity and positive infinity. All right, let's do new problem. All right, same concept, but this one's now going up on the left side and down on the right side. So again, if we go to the left, this is going towards negative infinity. So we can look here, it started with positive x's. So here's the negative x's if we start on the left side again. So as x goes to negative infinity, what happens? This goes up, so it's going to positive infinity. So it has to be the first one or the third one. All right, now on this side, this is our positive x's. And again, it doesn't matter which side you do first. We normally read the graph left to right, so that's why I started with the negative side. And it was going up, so it's going to positive. Now we're looking at the right side, and as we go to positive x, the y's go down. Okay, so positive x, the y's going down, so it has to be one of these two. And we already determined that it has to be positive on the other side. So that's really all there is up to in behavior is just to determine what happens to your y when your x goes to the left and what happens to your y when x goes to the right.